Hide and Seek 1, Unit 5, Lessons 5 and 6. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for ball. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for doll. D is for doll. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Pillow. Pillow. Pillow is soft. Pillow is soft. Doll. Doll is soft. Doll is soft. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bear is soft. Teddy bear is soft. Blocks. Blocks. Blocks are hard. Blocks are hard. Rocks. Rocks are hard. Rocks are hard. Toy car. Toy car. Toy car is hard. Toy car is hard. Doll is soft. Doll is soft. Toy car is hard. Toy car is hard. Stuffed elephant is soft. Stuffed elephant is soft. Toy house is hard. Toy house is hard. Teddy bear is soft. Teddy bear is soft. Ruler is hard. Ruler is hard. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. J is for jam. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Baby. Baby. Bear. Bear. Toy car. Toy car. Doll. Doll. Toy duck. Toy duck. Real. Kangaroo is real. Baby. Baby is real. Bear. Bear is real. Toy. Toy is not real. Doll is a toy. Doll is a toy. Toy duck. Toy duck. Great job. Goodbye.